Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to make a gradient background for your designs and projects in Canva really quickly and as a complete beginner without any graphic designing skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. Alright, so doing this is super simple guys. All you need to do is head over to Canva, start a new design, and as you can see I already created a square background like that with gradient colors. So this is how you can model that. Simply head over to the elements section here. Let me first delete that square to start all over. And here in the element section, what you want to do is simply click on shapes here, or if you already see it here in the suggestions, select the square shape just like that. After that, left click on one of its edges just like that, or corners, and simply drag it manually with your mouse so that it covers your entire canvas just like that. Release your mouse and now as you can see it resembles more or less a YouTube thumbnail with a resolution of let's say 1280 by 720. So what you want to do after that is click on that color icon here at the top to select the color. However guys, for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to choose not a solid color from that panel here to the left or a default color, but a gradient. As you can see at the bottom of that list, they feature a lot of preset gradient setups here in the Canva library. So select any one you like. Let's say, for example, that one here with orange and pink. And what you want to do after that is scroll down here on that left panel and click on that plus icon, add a new color. This is going to take you to that sub menu here. So below, select your gradient style, like for example 90 degrees or linear gradient or 135 degrees. Go through these and simply pick the one you would like to use, like a circular gradient. Let us use that one here, or let us go with a linear gradient 180. And what you want to do in the next step is select your associated colors where it says gradient colors here. So the first color, let's leave it at violet, and we're going to change the second color, which is currently orange, to something, let's say greenish, just like that. And there you go. Now, as you can see, that gradient color starts with violet at the top and ends with green at the bottom. However, guys, you can leave it at that, or you may customize it even more by, for example, adding a third, fourth, fifth color and so on and so forth. So again, enter that menu here, but this time select add a new gradient color from that menu here next to color 1 and 2 to add a third one, and simply use that menu here, that panel, to select your third color. So for the sake of this tutorial, for this example, I'm going to use, let's say, something like a deep red, like that. Just leave it like that. And as you can see now, it resembles pretty much a gradient color square like that, with violet at the top and red at the bottom and green in the middle. So guys, play around with that as much as you like. So that's how you create a gradient background in Canva. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.